morning. Welcome to the Ag Market Network Morning Update. I'm Pat McClatchy. It's the 12th of November. Some of the headlines are some of the market information overnight. We've got most commodity markets are mixed, although the agricultural markets are mostly at least a little bit lower this morning. Looking at news overnight, some of the news, China economic numbers coming out or came out overnight for credit showed continued weakness. The emerging markets currencies are weaker against the dollar this morning. In Europe, there seems to be some talk of a euro crisis simmering. News out of Greece and Portugal are of some concern. And all of the global stock markets are a little bit lower, with China closing lower, small amount lower, and Europe being a little lower, and the U.S. also being lower. Let's take a look at our markets to see what we're doing overnight in commodities. We've got the cotton market down 2 at 62.16 with a low of 62.08 and a high of 62.27. January soybeans down 3 at 8.57 3/4. That's almost on the low. 8.57.5 is the low. 8.62 is the high. We have December corn down 3/4 at 361.5 with a high of 363.5 and a low of 360.5. Wheat is the lone exception. In grains, it's up 3/4 cent at 495.5 in December wheat with a high of 498 and a low of 495. Rice is right now up 4. Looking at the dollar, up 22 from yesterday. Crude oil is down 64 cents a barrel. Gold and silver are mixed, with gold down $1.50 and silver up about 5 cents. And our S&P is down 5.6. Looking at news, as we mentioned, we will have statements coming out of the Fed today. They're having a meeting today and be a number of different statements being made. There's some concern about that. And then we have at 7:30 initial jobless claims coming out. And that's it. Hope you have a good day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.